Hello, I'm Gigi. Do you want to learn about the core of each planet? Oh, that's good. I don't know what to go to bed and I make all the cores. I color the cores of each planet. I made them 14 planets. Look, the sun core made up of hot burning gases. Mercury's core is huge than Jupiter's core. Venus has a rocky Mercury has a rocky core made up of rock, silicon, ice. Venus has a size rocky core made up of ice and bit of rock. Earth, it has red core made up of ice, crystal, red lime, and a crust. Mars is the second smallest planet. It has a size rocky core made up of rocks. Ceres core made up of silicon rock. Giant Jupiter core made up of dust and particles of ice and rock, silicon. Jupiter had some rings made up of rocks and dust. Saturn have pretty rings. They made of ice and a bit of rock. Saturn have one core made up of ice, gases, helium, hydrogen, and water and rock ice. Uranus tilted on its side. It has rings made up of dust and rock. Uranus has a size core made up of water, ice, and rock. Neptune have a great dark spot. Neptune is far away from the sun. It has a size core made up of red lime pepper precipitate. Pluto is called a planet of core made up of ice, rock, material. Again, this oval planet is homemade. It's grey with a core made up of silicon rock dust. Maka have a core made up of water, rock, ice, water. Aries have a core made up of silicon rock and a crust. I see you tomorrow. Bye. Subscribe under your channel and we watch Asteroid Chapter 4. Bye. I'm the king of this. It is Z from the sun to Aries. Thank you for watching. Bye. Under your channel. Please subscribe under your channel. Or subscribe and under your channel right here. I got more work to do as the sun. And as huge as the sun. And all the planets. And they say goodbye. Bye.